Henry is working on the sunroom. Let's go and see. So this is the sunroom that he started to build several months ago. At maglalagay na daw siya ng flooring today. This is where I'm gonna put all my indoor plants daw. So ganito ang itsura sa labas. Black yung nilagay niya, gusto ko puti, papalitan daw niya ng puti. Katawa ka. Hindi mo ako kinonsulta kung ano yung kulay na gusto ko. Ayan, ang aking sunroom. Mailalagay na daw ang floor today. Hi, Lakay. Boom.